Also ahead, showers in places and a windy night for some. Join me for your weekend weather forecast.
That's a rare sight in our skies. Explain.
Yes, that's absolutely right. Before we look at the weather and from this week and then forward as well onto what we've got for the weekend, I just want to flag up something that's happening above our heads this weekend. It might not look like much, but this tiny speck is actually a huge asteroid the size of Big Ben, and it will get a lot closer to the Earth than the Moon tomorrow night. The Moon is just under 239,000 miles away. By comparison, this asteroid will pass us at around 107,000 miles. So not exactly a close brush, but still NASA says that an object of this size passing so close to the Earth happens only about once a decade. Catchily named 2023 DZ2, it is estimated to make its closest approach to Earth at around 10 to 8 tomorrow evening, speeding by us at around 17,000 miles an hour. Because of its size, it should actually be possible to see it with some good binoculars or a telescope. Now, staying in the sky, astrophiles were in for an incredible treat last night with some breathtaking northern lights. Seeing the aurora borealis in Scotland is not that unusual, but after a strong geomagnetic storm, the lights were seen vividly across parts of southern England and Wales last night. It's only a month since the last sighting in southern parts of the UK, and excitingly, aurora can be particularly strong around the equinox, which of course happened earlier the week. As more charged particles are able to enter our atmosphere, they interact with oxygen and nitrogen and result in these incredible displays. Let's have a look at the forecast. I am throwing in the towel with the weather at the moment. It's a mixture of sunny spells and showers, and that is basically all we have to say, because it continues over the weekend as well. We really are expecting it to continue to be very unsettled indeed. So this weekend, heavy showers, some sunshine, and turning cooler as well, I'm afraid. Let's have a look at what's going then. As we look ahead to this evening and overnight, low pressure still very much in control. It's windy, particularly across the southern and southwestern parts, gusts up to around 40 miles an hour, and those showers converging in places. That means they're sort of lumping together. As you can see, it's quite a breezy sort of picture, milder in the south, chillier in the north. And then we look ahead to the all-important weekend conditions. And yes, it's a mixture of sunny spells and showers once again, the potential for a few rumbles of thunder with the punchiest ones. We are expecting it probably to be driest across this far southwestern quarter. Temperatures still on the mild side in the south, but starting to turn really quite cool in the north as the winds swing to a more northerly direction. Do not forget the clocks change. Spring forward, fall back. This is the mad one, I'm afraid. An hour less sleep on Sunday. Then we look ahead to Sunday. As you can see, it's a slow start to the day, a band of rain pulling away from the south. But then we are looking at a largely dry picture, certainly across the bulk of England and Wales. Showers still further north, and some of these could be a little bit wintry in places. In that cold northerly wind, it'll feel pretty chilly. But all in all, have a lovely weekend. I feel like I need to apologise for the weather at the moment. It's awful, and it's not going to get much better next week, although Monday looks all right, just.
All right, we'll take that then. Becky, thank you very much.